this video, I'm going to share with you a simple yet effective strategy to earn $100 a day online through recurring passive income. And guess what? All it involves is copying and pasting text using platforms like Quora and ChatGPT. And the best part is no investment needed, no prior experience required, and you can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world. So stay tuned because this is a game changer for literally anyone looking to boost their income. Let's get started. For those of you who are just starting out trying to make money online and trying to get into POD or print on demand, you can download the ultimate guide to print on demand success down below in the description, completely for free, to learn how you can set up your print on demand business and scale it to $10,000 a month with ease. Again, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. Now, step one for this strategy, you need to create a Quora account. Now, creating a Quora account is an essential first step in establishing your presence and leveraging the platform's potential for generating income. By having a Quora account, you gain access to a vast community of users actively seeking information and engaging in discussions. This presents a valuable opportunity to position yourself as an authority in your niche or industry. Through thoughtful and informative responses to questions relating to your expertise, you can build credibility and attract potential buyers to your offerings. Quora provides a platform for you to showcase your knowledge, connect with your target audience, and establish meaningful relationships that can ultimately lead to sales and conversions. Now, because I'm an expert in print on demand, I can literally search for merch by Amazon related questions and answer them. And in answering them, I'm giving a lot of value to those people that are asking those questions. And at the same time, I can plug in one of my products or a product that I'm promoting as an affiliate. And this is how the money is made, guys. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. So make sure you stick around. The second step is choosing a niche. This is very, very important. Now, because we're going to make money through affiliate marketing, selecting a specific niche is of utmost importance. It's crucial to choose a niche in which you have expertise or interest. For instance, the print on demand niche is very popular right now, and this is what I'll be focusing on today. And because I have expertise in it, it all works out. Now, exploring opportunities such as merch by Amazon and print on demand can be highly lucrative. By delving into this niche, we can tap into the widespread desire for financial success and effectively promote products and services that can aid individuals in achieving their financial goals, which leads me to my next point. Step 3, you need to find the right affiliate offer. Now, in order to maximize the potential of your affiliate marketing strategy, finding the right affiliate offer is crucial. In our case, we're going to promote Merch Dominator. This platform not only complements my areas of expertise in merch by Amazon and print on demand, but it also offers an attractive commission of up to $61 per referral. This is because it provides 25% lifetime commission on every conversion, and it is recurring as well, which means you get paid every month. Now, how did I get the $61 per referral? When you go to pricing here and you go for the annual plan, and provided you enter the 50% off coupon, still, when you apply it, the price becomes $245 for the year, and 25% of that is $61. And if someone registers on the monthly package, then you get $6.121, I think, per month recurring as well. Now, this high payout reflects the value and potential profitability of promoting Merch Dominator to the print on demand audience. By selecting the right affiliate offer, you can effectively monetize your knowledge and successfully leverage the power of Quora, as well as AI and affiliate marketing to generate substantial income, which leads me to my next point. Now, how do you use Quora to make money with affiliate marketing? As we know, Quora is a popular question and answer platform. It presents a unique opportunity to connect with a wide audience and promote affiliate products or services. And by leveraging Quora effectively, you can establish yourself as a knowledgeable expert and build trust with potential customers. Now, the first thing you need to do is it is essential to identify relevant topics and questions within your niche. So in our case, we're going to use the merch by Amazon print on demand niche. Now, by searching for keywords such as print on demand or merch by Amazon, we can find discussions where our expertise can provide valuable insights. And answering these questions in a helpful and informative manner allows us to showcase our knowledge and subtly introduce affiliate products as solutions. Let me show you what I mean. So we come to Quora. Obviously, we create an account account. I'm not going to show you how to create that. You can create it by yourself. It's pretty simple. You come here and you type merch by Amazon or print on demand or whatever. What you're looking to do is you're looking to answer people's questions. Now, this guy is asking how much can a merch by Amazon tier 500 make per month? This guy is looking to make money with merch by Amazon. So we can literally go to ChatGPT and type that exact question, and ChatGPT is going to give us the answer. And the trick is to try and do past hour, past day, past week, past month, to try and get the recent questions that haven't been answered or have had low answer counts. This way we can rank higher very quickly. Now, for example, this question is saying, what is the secret to making good money on Amazon merch? I can literally take this question and paste it into ChatGPT. Remember when I said copy and paste, it's literally that. And then see what ChatGPT gives us. In a few moments, it literally creates the entire answer for us. And here's the trick. We need to copy the answer and paste it in here. We need to click on here and then click on answer and literally paste our entire answer here. Make sure that it makes sense. Go through it, check for any mistakes based on your knowledge and your experience. And here is the trick. You can add your affiliate link from Merch Dominator in here where it fits. For example, it says keyword optimization. Optimize your product titles, bullet points, and description with relevant keywords. This helps improve your product's visibility in Amazon's search results. You can use a keyword tool like Merch Dominator, which can help you find very profitable keywords that can enhance your product's visibility, and therefore you can make more profit. Something like that, right? Try and be creative with it and then put your affiliate link. You might ask, where'd you get the affiliate link? You literally just go to any of these links right here, right? I want to sign up. Just go to Merch Dominator affiliates, right? Click on any of these links. You'll come here, enter all your details, follow the steps, and go to assets and then get your affiliate link from there. I've done a few videos on this. You'll find it on my channel. It's pretty easy, guys. Just follow the steps, literally. These kind of things don't need to be explained. Again, niche selection. You can say something like Merch Dominator allows you to see the latest trends as they come to the platform. And you can find trends before anyone else. Check it out here. Something like that, right? So you're subtly hinting with the link. They potentially don't know that it's an affiliate link. They see it as you're giving them value. Well, you are giving them value, but at the same time, providing something that's going to help you out. Now, they're not losing. You're not losing. Everyone is winning here, guys. Again, things that don't really matter or don't have a place here, like customer reviews and feedback, you need to take it out. Things like diversify your portfolio, you can keep. Try and change the language here. Build a brand. You really don't build a brand on Merch by Amazon, if I'm honest with you, because copycats are literally going to copy all your designs. So take that off. Market research. Again, you can add a link to Merch Dominator there. Obviously, your own Merch Dominator affiliate link so that you can make money as soon as someone buys through that affiliate link, etc. And once you're satisfied with your answer, click on post. And you can literally do this time and time again. Rinse and repeat. Just keep finding new questions and keep answering. Once you're done with Merch by Amazon, go to print on demand and then go to Etsy and then go to Redbubble. Everything related to print on demand. If you're going to promote Merch Dominator, try and find all the angles where Merch Dominator can work and attack those angles. That's how we do it, guys. So different departments like keyword search, like listing creator, like AI niche generator, AI quotes generator, events calendar, niche research, keywords, deleted designs, all sorts of things, and try and shape your answer in such a way that you can integrate one of those angles into the answer. That's how it works, guys. That is affiliate marketing 101. And also, when mentioning affiliate products or affiliate links on Quora, it's essential to strike a balance between promotion and authenticity. You don't want to go for sell, sell, sell. Try and provide as much value as possible. Rather than directly pushing for a sale, we can focus on recommending products that genuinely meet the needs of the individuals seeking answers. By providing detailed explanations and highlighting the benefits of the recommended products, we can increase the likelihood of conversions. And as I showed you guys, you really don't have to generate answers by yourself. That will take time. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT and AI tools, we can quickly generate informative responses that add value to the conversation, including a link to our landing page or affiliate offer at the end of our answer or throughout the answer or somewhere where it fits. This allows interested users to explore further and potentially convert into customers. Utilizing this strategy on Quora can help us expand our reach, drive traffic, and generate commissions through affiliate marketing. marketing. And another effective strategy is to create informative content that addresses common pain points or challenges within our niche. This could be in the form of blog posts, tutorials, or guides that offer valuable information and recommendations. By including affiliate links within these content pieces, we can drive traffic to our affiliate partners' websites and potentially earn commissions from resulting sales. And on top of that, engaging with the Quora community is crucial for building credibility and expanding our reach. By actively participating in discussions and providing valuable contributions, we can attract followers and establish ourselves as trusted authorities in the field. This in turn increases the visibility and potential impact of our affiliate promotions. Now, the other thing that you can do is create a landing page. This can be crucial for our affiliate marketing strategy. It allows us to effectively showcase the benefits and features of our products or offers to potential customers. With a well-designed landing page, we can capture the attention of our audience and provide them with compelling reasons to make a purchase. Now, websites like Linktree offer a convenient and free solution for creating a landing page. This platform allows us to include our affiliate link in as a bridge page, ensuring that interested users can easily access the offer. And in situations where Quora does not permit direct affiliate link inclusion, cloaking our link and using a platform like Linktree can be very effective as a workaround. By utilizing a landing page, we can maximize conversions and improve our overall affiliate marketing success. You can also build spaces, try and link up with different people that can work with you as contributors, and basically build your own space. If you want to talk about print on demand, you'll have loads of people that want to talk about print on demand, get them all together and create a community. Once you have a community, you can always try to market to them. Obviously, don't overdo it because that can be really cringe. But as I said before, try and strike a balance between promotion or selling and authenticity. You really need to focus on adding value all the time. Sales will come later. That is always secondary. The main thing is adding value. And if you guys need the Merch by Amazon account or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print on demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I'll watch this video next if you'd like to learn how to make $100 a day with print on demand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.